Now, as many of you might recall, before the end of the first half of 2023, Nio, ladies and gents, introduced a 4,200 discount on all of their cars, which of course that resulted in us seeing quite a number of deliveries, or quite number of cars that Nio delivered during that period. I mean, you will know that of course that discount came even the ES6 was launched, which excited a lot of investors. Now I know that has got a big impact into the gross margins for the cars, but I mean the deliveries were pretty good that time. And ladies and gents, yesterday or late yesterday we received the news of saying that Nio will be cutting over $5,000 off their old models, and these over $5,000, ladies and gents, those that buy vehicles of over 120 days or that have 120 days and have not been sold, they will get these $5,560 when they buy the Nio model. Now, for the models that are not over 120 days, the Nio users or the potential Nio customers, they will be able to pay 32,000 RMB or Chinese yen, which is something that is pretty amazing, because that again, it's over $4,500 when you buy the Nio cars. Now, Nio is doing this to prepare for their 2024 Nio models, and they are saying that they are starting, or the intention is to start selling the 2024 Nio models from March of 2024. This is something that is I suppose pretty good, though the gross margins might be compromised, but in terms of sales, I think it will really boost or give them a lot of sales now as they are running these, of course, discounts. I mean, Tesla, you will know that I think sometimes last week came out and also introduced discounts on some of their models. We are seeing, of course, the competition in China becoming more and more fierce, which is resulting in, of course, automakers introducing some discounts in some of their cars. So Nio will be offering discounts from 4,500 to over 5,500 to the people that are buying the old or the 2023 Nio models. You will know that in 2023, Nio introduced new models, the models that all the new potential customers are buying, because Nio last year they upgraded all of their models, ladies and gents, with of course the NT 2.0 platform, which of course that excited the investors, though we did not get to see the kind of sales that we were expecting from those models, but I think they did pretty good, because for the year 2023 we saw Nio delivering over 160,000 vehicles. So yes, this discount do count in terms of sales, or they will boost sales into Nio, because this is something that we also witnessed just before the first half of last year ends. We saw, of course, Nio introducing, of course, these discounts, which resulted in the deliveries of Nio also being boosted. So this, in terms of deliveries, it will boost the deliveries, but in terms of gross margins, it will have a negative impact into the gross margins, which is of course not good. But I suppose if they are able to sell more cars, probably they will get to see, of course, gross margins not being that bad. So for the new cars, or for the cars that of course the Nio customers will buy from March going forward, the price will be back to normal, which is something that will encourage those that want to buy the Nio car to buy those 2023 models now, in order to get those massive discounts that Nio is offering. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought to just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, I'm very excited about this 5,000 discount, because sales are going to be boosted, though gross margins might be compromised a bit. But with the fact that sales will be boosted, I think it's something that I think it's pretty amazing, because especially with the sales or deliveries, especially now that we're seeing the demand into the automaker industry becoming low because of the time we are in. I mean, January, it's one of those months that we see, of course, deliveries not being that high, or rather being low, because people are not looking for cars that much now during this period. So this, I suppose, it increases the demand, or brings the demand, the discounts that Nio is offering, which will revive the deliveries, or make Nio to be one of the automakers that are delivering, or that deliver quite good delivery numbers now in January and February, which should that happen, I think it will be pretty good, right? Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought to just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes. But so I hope for the best, and yeah, I hope we get to see the deliveries of Nio being boosted by this big catalyst of Nio cutting, of course, 4,500 to over 5,500 in terms of discount on their old cars. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.